Hey there, friends. Welcome back to Tap Quiz. Today is Human Anatomy Quiz. If you answer up to the last question, you're a genius. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. 1. Which molecule carries oxygen in the blood? B. Hemoglobin. 2. Which artery is commonly used to check pulse at the wrist? B. Radial artery. 3. What acid is found in the stomach? B. Hydrochloric acid. 4. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of internal organs? B. Smooth muscle. 5. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light that enters? C. Iris. 6. What blood type is known as the universal donor? Blood type O. 7. What is the largest part of the human brain? B. Cerebrum. 8. What type of joint is the shoulder joint? Ball and socket joint. 9. What is the outermost layer of skin called? C. Epidermis. 10. Which part of the nervous system is responsible for reflexes? C. Spinal cord. 11. Which gland is called the master gland? B. Pituitary gland. 12. What part of the ear converts sound waves into nerve signals? B. Cochlea. 13. Where does most nutrient absorption occur? B. Small intestine. 14. What device is used to measure blood pressure? B. The sphygmomanometer. 15. What is the powerhouse of the cell? C. Mitochondria. 16. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? 37 degrees Celsius. 17. Which organ filters waste from the blood? C. Kidney. 18. Where does fertilization typically occur in the female body? C. The fallopian tube. 19. How many vertebrae are in the human spine? B. 33. 20. What vitamin is stored in the liver? And the last answer is vitamin A. Hope you had fun with the quiz. Subscribe for more.